Background noise is a really unpleasant distraction both in audio and video files. Fortunately, dealing with it is more simple than you think, and you happen to be watching the right video. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. In this video, we're going to see how to remove background noise from audio and from video files with the UniConverter. You're going to need to download and install the tool if you don't have it yet. You can grab it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. While you're installing it, let's see why you might have noise in your audio and video files. Noise in your audio can come from faulty recording. For example, you set up the equipment incorrectly. For example, listen to this. Noise can also be because of faulty equipment, broken cables, a broken microphone, or it can have a source in your place of recording, such as wind, a fan, crowd, traffic, your computer's cooling, you name it. Now, my philosophy is that the best kind of noise removal is avoiding it in the first place, so try to prevent it as much as you can at all times. Sometimes you can't, and in those cases, the tool that we're going to use today comes in very handy, but otherwise, try to prevent it. While all of these noises might sound different, the one that I talked about, the noise remover in the UniConverter is a universal one that works for all kinds of noises. Okay, now I'm sure that you have the UniConverter up and running, so let's remove background noise from audio and video files. The tool you need to look for is the noise remover. You'll find it within the AI lab. This tool supports background noise reduction from video and audio files in a batch. The tool works in a very simple and user-friendly way. Let's see. First, import all of your files here. Just drag and drop them. You'll see your playlist on the right side here. You can always add new files to it by drag and dropping them. Next, choose an output folder for your files. And then finally click on Start All to initiate the process. The process is fairly fast. It naturally depends on your computer speed as well. But otherwise, that's all. That's how you have to set up the noise remover tool because it will do everything automatically. Okay, so let's listen to one example, how it was before. So this is an audio recording with a fan running in the background, and we're going to try to remove the noise from it. And how it is now. So this is an audio recording with a fan running in the background, and we're going to try to remove the noise from it. The difference is undeniable. So removing noise with this tool is really simple. So if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any video requests, leave them in the comment section. I'm going to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.